Your life won't change from big decisions, but from tiny habits you repeat without noticing. These aren't dramatic, they don't require waking up at 5 am, but each one targets a specific psychological bottleneck that steals your focus. Let's rebuild your mind one tiny habit at a time. Habit 1: the 60-second activation rule. Your brain resists transitions. This is called task initiation friction. So just start with one micro action. Open the document, write the title, or sit with the intention to begin. In 60 seconds, resistance drops dramatically. The task is no longer unknown. Habit 2: the 3-item cognitive offload list. Most stress isn't from work, it's from holding that work in your mind. Write one task you must finish, one you should do, and one you will do only if you have energy. This reduces mental load. You wake up knowing what matters and what can wait. Habit 3: the 45-second reset between assignments. Most people switch tasks without clearing mental residue. Say one sentence, "Now I'm doing only this." It clears cognitive residue. Habit 4: no scroll mornings. Morning scrolling floods the brain with dopamine spikes. It makes your mind chase stimulation all day. For the first 30 minutes, avoid screens. Teach your brain, you decide the pace of the day. Habit 5: the anchor object. Choose one object that signals focus mode. A lamp, a pen, a timer. Your brain links this cue to clarity. It becomes a mental anchor. Habit 6: the 2-minute night alignment ritual. Ask yourself, what drained my energy today? What gave me energy today? Write one sentence each. It's emotional calibration. Habit 7: the 20-20-20 refresh rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It resets your eyes and your mind. A micro break that restores clarity. Habit 8: one hard thing before noon. Your brain's analytical power peaks in the first 4 hours after waking. Finish one cognitively demanding task early. One win creates momentum for the next 12 hours. Habit 9: the 5-object declutter sweep. Remove exactly 5 objects, not more, not less. Small number, big impact. A cleaner space leads to a cleaner mind. Habit 10: micro self-compassion. When you mess up, say I'm learning, and this is part of the process. This shifts your brain from threat mode to growth mode. Stress drops, focus returns. Small habits don't change your life overnight. They change its direction. Pick one habit, practice it for 7 days. Your mind is a system. Change the inputs, and the outputs change with it.